In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display and Brightness. Now tap on Font Settings available here and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!